Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter 5, that is money, in which today we are going to discuss the topics barter system and difficulties of barter system. First, barter system. All of you know what is the meaning of barter system. Barter system means goods are exchanged for goods. It means commodities are exchanged for commodities. That's why it is also known as C2C economy and G2G economy. C stands for commodities. That's why it is known as C2C economy. For example, wheat may be exchanged for cloth, houses for horses, and workers may be paid wheat, rice, and anything else for their services. It is known as barter system when commodities are exchanged for commodities. That is also known as C2C economy and G2G economy. There are few difficulties of barter system that are as follows. First, lack of double coincidence of wants. What is the meaning of double coincidence? Double coincidence of wants means that goods in possession of two different person must be useful and needed by each other so that they can satisfy their wants to each other. It means two individual person are having the same commodities which they can exchange and which they are needed also. By exchange their wants, they can satisfy their wants. That is known as double coincidence of wants, which is very typical in today's scenario. Why? Because to search that person who needed your commodity and you needed his commodity, which is very tough in today's scenario. That is the major problems of barter system. Barter is possible only when goods produced by two persons are needed by each other. It is known as double coincidence of wants. It is difficult to find such a person every time who required your commodity and you required their commodity. So that this is a major problem of barter system. Next, that is lack of divisibility. Yes, commodities cannot be divided. If you want to exchange your car with a scooter, how you can divide your car? Or animals, if you want to exchange with your animals with wheat and rice, how you can divide your animals? So it is a major, that is a second major difficulties in barter system. Next, difficulty in storing wealth. It is a very difficult to store wealth for future use because first of all it's require storage cost, and it may be possible that is going to be waste in the future. If you are storing that commodity, it's required storage's cost go down. Place, if you are storing that kind of goods just like that wheat, rice, it is deteriorate also with the passage of time. And due to this reason, we are facing the problem of storing. As well as if you are transferring a goods from one place to another place, is required transportation cost also. Few commodities that is not transfer also, which is impossible. It is a major problem of barter system. Next, that is absence of common measures of value. It means if you want to exchange your car, so how you are going to exchange? What is the prices of that? 4 horses, 5 cattle, it means 5 scooters. How you are going to exchange your car? Because there is no common unit in it. It means what is the value of your car? You can reply rupees 5 lakh very easily in terms of money. Can you give the same answer in barter system of exchange? Certainly not. Under such a system, your car would be valued in terms of horses, cows, or buffaloes, simply because there is no money or we can say no common unit of value. Clear? Now lack of future payment or deferred payment. Deferred payment is also known as future payment. These days, you hire any worker and strike a contract to pay him rupees 10,000 rupees per month, which is very easily. But what do you do in barter system? Would you decide to pay him in terms of table, chairs, in terms of rice, or in terms of wheat, in terms of chocolate? Contractual payment or future payment would certainly be very difficult under barter system of exchange. So that can be solved these problems through money, which we are going to discuss in the next session. Thank you.